So it's just saying hello to the guy there. There he is. Let's go up and see what the main event's all about. Apparently there's another photographer up here. Jeez. Been spoilt today. Look at this. There was a sign back there, I forgot to look and see what it was all about. How fantastic is this? Absolutely amazing. I'll tell you what, I could go home tomorrow and be a happy lad. Okay, this is West Burton Falls, or there's a sign down there that says it's also known as the Cauldron Waterfalls. Apparently Turner's painted here back in the 1900s or 1800s. I'll check the board. Luckily enough, the guy that I saw at Cotter's Force earlier is leaving, and there was a guy up here, he's just left as well, so I currently have got the space to myself. I dare to say, not that I'm interested in the sky so much, but there are blue skies overhead. So it's not raining either. So, feeling very lucky today. Let's crack on. I've lined up a shot here. Let's take my first photo. Being a bit careful on the rocks, it's a bit slippy. Okay, it's the first bracketed shot done. I'll turn you off now because you're not going to be interested in me being here for another 2 hours, which could well be at the moment. Stunning, stunning place. I think I want to move to Yorkshire, Claire. Right, catch you when I've done this, let you know how it goes. I'll try and stick some photos in as well, obviously. Ta-da for now. Just going to say, loving this. And I've just seen that the bridge down the bottom there lets us cross over, get into this middle section, which should give us a different view of that amazing waterfall. I'm going to go around there now, see what I can get. Okay, that was West Burton Falls. Great little tip there. Bumped into another photographer there who's given me a tip of Scalibur Force, but apparently that's like another 25 minutes, half hour south from here. So we'll see whether I get that done this week or not. It might be out of my way, unless it's on the way to the Ingleton Falls or something. You can see beautiful evening right here, but there's dark clouds all around. So could be an opportunity for some good photos later. I'm going to go home now, I think, go back to the site. Time is, not sure of the time actually. It's only 20 to 4, feels later than that. Feels like I've done quite a lot. Got sore back from all the bending and shifting, taking photos as you do, but I'm really pleased I've got some good photos today, I think. So fingers crossed when I get them back on the computer that they're all not fuzzy or anything like that. Right, Going to turn it around and head back and see if I can get some photos on the way. There's some photos I've seen, or potential photos, on the drive back, but there's a couple of laybys I need to look out for, and it could be with these clouds and the sun, could work out really well. Right, speak to you later.